Good morning. My name is Jagata. I'm from Vidyaniketan School. My question is directed to both Mr. Ramesh Ramanathan and Mr. Mahima Patel. On the part of the government, we see a lot of inefficiency in handling problems that are so many people seem to be facing. Say, for example, inflation. Sufficient steps haven't been taken. So what what people seem to be saying is, if you want to draw the government's attention to something, protest, agitate peacefully. But this whole idea of protest seems to be reduced to a mere formality, because after that the civil society is not involved in the implementation of these policies. So don't you think that they should be involved not only in identifying problems but also implementing these policies?
No, I think that then we'll end up having, a complete chaos, right? Ultimately, government is supposed to do some things. In very, very specific instances like what you're seeing, you need this kind of public pressure because it is going to hold people in government accountable. So there is some resistance to doing that. But I also want to say, going back to the point that Mohan had made earlier, yes, we should have a conversation about how to improve our society, but we must not lose sight that many things are going well. This is part of how we improve our country. Would you rather be living in Afghanistan or Pakistan right now? Right? So the fact that we are having this conversation means many things are going well. This is the process by which it should improve. There's never going to be a situation where everything is perfect and each of us can carry about doing our lives the way we want. There'll always be something for which a small group of people will agitate. There'll be some pressure, something will come out of it, and the wheel keeps turning. So that should be the mental map we have of how we see our society. How can we accept what it is, respect what has been done, and contribute to making it better?